Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia, and yeah, this is my channel. I'm gonna just go ahead and start off by saying, yeah, I forgot to film an intro video for this video, and I probably didn't and ended up accidentally deleting it. Actually, I think that's what happened, but more of the story is we keep pushing it, and I didn't want to not post this video because yeah, but I'm gonna just also say that this is not gonna be the first time you're gonna be upset with me in this video. Anyway, this is me doing my Justine Skye inspired ponytail. As you can see, my girl was killing it. Okay, when I saw the picture on Instagram that she posted, yeah, I got this from Instagram. I was like, oh yeah, that's the move. That's the move for this girl's trip. I was doing this ponytail for a girls' weekend in Charleston. And I have a vlog up. Hopefully it'll be up by the time this goes up. But if not, it'll be up soon. Pay attention, like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal. But anyway, this is the tutorial. And honestly, I probably shouldn't call it a tutorial because I don't even know if I did it right. I did it to my liking. And I guess this is just how I did it. And if you want yours to look like mine, this is, I guess, the tutorial to how I did it. Okay, maybe it is a tutorial, whatever. Anyway, this is the video. We're gonna get right into it. Sorry for the rambling. Let's go. Okay, starting off this look, this hair has been freshly, well, I just relaxed my hair. I still relax my hair, by the way. I don't know if I ever mentioned that, but my hair is relaxed and it's freshly relaxed and washed, I guess, and blow dry. And yeah, I'm going in with that. And freshly relaxed hair, it just lays down easier, as you can probably see. Anyway, so this is me kind of testing out kind of a loose of what I wanted it to look like. I wasn't too sure, I had the visuals, but I wanted to make sure that the parts were straight. Well, this is me going in making sure the parts were straight and kind of getting a little more structured about how I plan on doing this ponytail. This is me brushing it to kind of get more of the frame of the hairstyle into place. Like I said, this is my first time doing, well, this is my second time doing a swoop ponytail. The first time I did it was the first time I ever worked with quick weave, and I did it the night before I was going to Chicago. And yeah, it wasn't good. It wasn't good. But anyway, I'm trying to figure out how to like frame the bang. Like I didn't know how deep I wanted it. And then I was like, let's try something different. So then I thought, like, what would it look like if I had some like pieces hanging, like a bang, like if I had a loose bang. Imagine that. Honestly, you don't have to, because this is a loose version of what it looks like. I actually didn't mind it. I didn't mind the loose bang. I was like, okay, I haven't had a loose bang. I haven't had a loose bang like this in a minute. I used to do a lot in middle school. But anyway, I was like, let's get a full picture. Grab one of them bundles. Filling it out. Okay. Actually, looking back at this was really a mood. This was really cute. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my list of to-dos. Okay, pony. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. When you start feeling yourself in your looks, you be like, yeah, this is me. Anyway, so I'm trying to figure out if I was gonna do a loose bang, but then I realized it can't be Justine Skye because it's not even the same hairstyle. So I said I could either do the swoop bang, the molded swoop bang, or I could just do whatever I want. And I decided to do the swoop bang. I wanted to stay on theme. So anyway, this is me twisting the top of my hair just to get like the bang swoop part out of the way. This is back when I thought that I was gonna straighten it, so I was like, I'm about to mold it down, I need to protect it, keep it out of the way so I don't get any product on it or anything. So this is me twisting it out, getting it out the way. Then I go in with this Eco Styler gel and I start on this half side, not the half side, but the side with the part, and I just go and start molding it down, getting it nice and prepared for the ponytail, but I also go in and section off. So I mold it by sections just so it'll lay down flatter and smoother. But if you can see, my hair is really straight at the edges, at the roots, because of my hair is recently relaxed. So this is why I even decided to do such a sleek ponytail, because I knew my hair would lay down a lot better being freshly relaxed. As you can see, the back of my head, brushing it, like I said, I put some product on it so that I could go ahead and mold it down as well, mold it into the pre-existing ponytail that I have up there. I've learned that doing it by sections makes all the difference. I went ahead and pinned the front part of the bang, or the bang in general, up out of the way just so I can mold down the back. And this is me taking it out and deciding, I was struggling, not even gonna capture all this. Anyway, this is me this is me molding the beginning of the side part, the side bang. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it was so hard. And I know you hairstylists listening are like, girl, no, this was very hard for me. One, because I hadn't even done my hair in a while. Like, I think before this I had twists. So I hadn't done my hair in like a couple weeks. But it took me so long to mold my hair back. It kept moving. And I didn't show all them clips because why would you want to see all my failed attempts? Like, I'm trying to teach you how to do it, not show you how not to do it. Anyway, so, wow, rambling. I finally got it. Molded it just, I think, perfect enough. At one point I gave up and said this is as good as it's gonna get, and I can live with that. But yeah, so this is me taking it. I ended up pinning my hair, the swoop bang under, and then I kind of wrapped the remaining pieces around the base of that ponytail just for a place to put it. I don't necessarily recommend that or know if hairstylists do that, but it felt right to me. So this is me going in with some Got2b spray, and I'm gonna just kind of keep it in place a little bit. I'm going in with this gel, which I really, really love. I really, really love it. It seems to hold my edges really well, even though my hair is like recently relaxed. It'll lay down pretty easily on literally any edge control, but I wanted it to just stay, so I used that one. But anyway, this is me pulling my edges out and doing a little bit more of a swoop just to emphasize the laidness of this hair. I went in with this foam again. I definitely put more on there than what this video shows, but too many clips. This is me just laying down my edges, make sure they're nice, flat, and crisp. So when I take it off, and then I go in with my scarf to lay down my hair, and any flyaways, go ahead and get them perfectly lined up. I go in the back and I braid the ponytail hair. This is my hair that I'm braiding, and then I put it in this wrapping paper, wrapping paper. I wrap it a couple times just to keep my hair protected and from the glue and everything. It's just a pain to deal with, the glue on your own hair. So wrap it. It'll save you. Plus, you can just yank that ponytail off when it's ready, I guess, because this glue kind of strong. Well, it's strong enough for this time being. This is the hair that I use. I honestly, at this point, should be buying stock in organic, because I buy so much hair. But I got this 3-pack, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna need 2 bundles or one, so I just got 3, because at that point you never know. You never know when you're gonna need the hair. But this is me wrapping the hair and putting it on the base. It took me a while. Yes, I struggled. It took me a very long time. In fact, this wasn't even the time that I got it done with. But this is the part where y'all gonna be mad at me at, because I definitely lost all the footage of me finishing it up. Sorry, this is the finished product. It looked great. Thank you for watching. Come back to my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I promise the next video will be better.